I think I'm live. Hey. Captain Chris Johnson. I think I did it, Marty. I'm not sure how I did it, but I think I did it. So, I'm excited. I don't really know how many people are going to come on here because that's okay. It don't matter to me how many people come on here. What matters to me is the right people come on here. That's right, positive people. Everyone's texting me. Let me see this. Okay. All right. Let me see. Okay. We got some people on here. It's working. Not a lot of people, but the most important people. Let's see. Patty Carpenter, Elsie Patch, what's happening? Robert Tantuli, you made it. Hey, big bro. Tom Taylor, what's happening? John White, Bill Must is in the house. Holy cow, they're finding me. Well, there's 6 or 7 people. That's pretty good. So I'm going to get started, all right? Because I know I have to fill in for Susie McCrae. Where? At the 2 o'clock today. I'm always nervous when I got to do that for Susie, but anything she asks, I will definitely do. Very important. Everyone's asking me, Chris, is Ash showing up on the roundtable today? You know what I'm going to tell you? You know exactly what I'm going to tell you. All right, I'm going to say you never know. He's been consistent for the last 9 or 10 weeks. He shows up. So I'm going to say, yeah, I think he's going to show up. Why wouldn't he show up? All right. Very, very important, guys. The last week, I was gone a little bit last week. I'm back on track again. I did stay plugged in. You seen I did a 360 live from where I was at, which was really cool. Ash Mafara popped on there and said some pretty amazing things. The best thing I thought he said is next Wednesday on the June 1st on Passive 360. I'm pretty sure he's coming on and he's going to announce what he said. He's going to announce the end date for founders positions. Very, very excited about that because I want it done myself because I want to get this thing rolling. All right. Many people think that that's the day. No, he is going to give us the end date on Wednesday, June 1st. June 1st, as far as we know, is not the official end date for the founders' positions. It could be. It really could be. I don't know. Hold on. Let me wipe the fog out of my eyes. So just expect something because it's coming. All right. We've had a lot of things going on in the last week. We're talking about one-time sign-in, blockchain. And listen. You're on a path right now that you've probably been doing for a long time. It's time to change. Get off the path. There's so many more roads leading to better places. And one of those roads led me right to Onpassive. It led you right to Onpassive. Okay? Everything that you want or need in a business. The greatest thing is you don't have to buy a building. You don't have to own lawyers. You don't have to have payroll. It's all done for you. Listen, every week, every day I wake up, there's something new, and it blows me away. All right. And yet I still got people saying, Chris, really, I don't care about those people anymore. I say, bye-bye. Wait till you see it. You'll regret it. Hey, man, don't have regrets in your life. Life's too short to have regrets. Get it out and get it done. $97. All right. You're going to regret that you didn't pay the $97 to become a founder. I can promise you that you're going to regret it because right now there's nothing else out there but Onpassive. All right. The greatest, the biggest company that's going to be in the world, whether you think so or not. I'm telling you. Why do I say that? Because I see it. I feel it. I have faith in it. I know what the internet is. I know what artificial intelligence is doing. If you're not in this, go dig a deeper hole because you're not going to want to be seen when you realize you have this opportunity, not only from me, but from 1,300,000 plus and growing people who tried to get in. Why did they try to get you in? Because they cared about you. They cared about you. Okay? Anyone that knows me knows I love Obless. But that's one small part of it. That's what I love. There's 50, oh my God, it's endless. Let's just put this, endless possibilities through Onpassive. No matter what you do, there's something in there for you. Holy cow, I got like 15 people on here today. That's pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm happy this YouTube thing's working. I miss going on my Facebook Live, but when the boss tells you what you got to do, you do it. And it's a good thing. It's going to play a big role. So what else are we talking about here? Listen, I'm not the techie guy, but we got 4 amazing guys out there, which are, let me see if I remember, Oliver, Stephen, Vincent, was it Vincent, Oliver, Bob DeCusi, what's the other one's name? I was Bob, Oliver, Bob, write his name in. I know his name is Stephen, Vincent. These guys are an amazing tech team. Ash came on there the other day and said he's got to step up his game. These guys are really smart. And what they're doing is they're breaking down things for us as far as what Onpassive, the tools, and everything about it. Do we have to know this stuff? We don't have to know it. But it's pretty interesting to know that we're part of it. It actually, for me, brought up the excitement game. Holy cow. I didn't know that. That's huge. So that's what I'm talking about. It's pretty amazing, guys. If you understood where Onpassive started and where it's at today and how many people, how many customers we have already, it's an amazing company. It's going to take you places. It's going to take you off that lousy path that you've been walking on for a long time. It's going to change that view in your window that you've been looking out for a long time. It's going to change you altogether. That's the honest to God truth. And it's so close. I'm telling you right now, when Ash sets that date, no more founders positions, cut it. It's going to really start rolling, guys. It's going to roll. And it's going to be amazing. All right. A lot of us have been patiently waiting for this. A lot of us haven't been so patient. On you. It's coming. All right. We have webinars still everywhere, every country, different languages. It's impossible to get out of them all. But once we do end that founder's position, you got to think, what's next? What are we going to do? We got to start talking about products. All right. Oh, by the way, did you check out the new Onpassive.com website? More added products. If you're listening to me and you don't have a clue what Onpassive is, go check out Onpassive.com. It'll give you a clue and so much more. You'll love it. You hover over it, things come up, click on it. You're going to be amazed, okay? That's just our website to advertise, to market, to let people know that this is real, this is happening. It's unstoppable. And you're a founder. You should be proud of that, okay? Now, I got to get moving here. I don't know what time it is. It is 20 to 1, so I got about an hour and 20 minutes here before I got to fill in for Susie. Get on there, ask your question. Okay, it's from 2 to 5, period. Unless Ash comes on there and takes it a little longer, all right, that's what we do. He's been real good about keeping that 5 o'clock time limit. Once Ash Bafara speaks and he's done what he has to say, we're going to close it out. Oh, by the way, it is Happy Memorial Day. God bless all the men and women who sacrificed their lives for our freedoms today. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do this today. Very important. It's a beautiful, sunny day in Michigan. People are out there celebrating life because these people that made these sacrifices, they gave us this life. We thank you. I thank you. I know my father was in the military. I know many of you were in the military. I know many of you that lost brothers and sisters in Vietnam and all these wars. All right, we really want to stop the wars, but right now, thank you for your ultimate sacrifice and service. For all those that who were really not part of the war as far as soldiers, we thank you too for what you had to go through. And we hope it never happens again. Peace and love, baby. Peace and love. That's what Onpassive is going to bring. All right, if you got a birthday today, happy birthday. I'm going to say some highs in a minute. I'm just adjusting my eyes to this. I do want to shout out some prayers today, okay? The last couple weeks, we had a lot of people fell ill. I want to shout out for Narelle Workon, her family. They lost their her ex-husband, her children's father. They're still having a hard time with that. Our condolences. We're praying for you, Narelle. Take all the time you need. We understand. I know Tony Monk's partner is fighting pneumonia right now. Shout out for some prayers for him. Always praying. I know Marty DeGarmo's wife, Dawn, has been fighting a bad flu. All right. Julie Wen now sounds like she's got that flu too. We're shouting out prayers for everyone. Man, if you got someone that you want to pray for, just say it in your head. Say it. It's hard for me to get everyone's name, but I'm praying for every one of you no matter what. All right, let me say some highs. Pam Turner, what's happening? Cynthia Brown, you downtown you found it. That's good, Cynthia. Pat Perrin, how you doing? Lynn Nakamoto, there's the crazy Easter Bunny, I said. Lynn, you're now the Easter Bunny. That's funny stuff. Rupa Paul, my beautiful sister. Elsie Patch, how you doing? Guys, tomorrow, don't forget, bless, 9 o'clock. That Marty said the wrong time. It's 9 o'clock tomorrow. I still have to get a program together because I've been behind. I'm going to reach out to one of you today that wants to talk about their project. I'll get it going. Don't you worry. I got time. Judy Oliver, how you doing? Robert Tantulu, Joyzy. John White, what's happening? Martin DeGarmo, the Chime Kim, is on the dreamboat. Oh, God. Marty, don't start that again. Let's see who else is on here. Not many, but that's, like I said, the important people are here. The important people. Okay, I think I got everyone. David Switzer, there you are, brother. How you doing? Good to see you here. I think I got everybody. If I missed you, I will catch you in the backyard. And my pool is not completed yet. It's filling up with water right now, and I got a lot of work. Always a lot of work to do in that yard. But I want to thank you guys. Patty Carpenter, how you doing? Good morning. Guys, just know this. You've heard everyone say you're in the right place at the right time. Okay, I'm going to erase that. You are in the only place that's going to take you where you've always wanted to go. Nothing else out there, unless you get lucky enough to win a multi-billion-dollar lottery. All right? Onpassive is that, I think, the multi-billion-dollar jackpot. Okay? Most of you own one position, two position, a few. All it takes is one. Okay? All it takes is one. Just imagine. I always say this. Imagine this time next year, after we launch, you're going to have a whole different outlook in life, folks, aren't you? Right? You're going to have a whole different outlook. You're going to be able to pack that suitcase and say, man, where do you want to go today? That's a pretty awesome feeling, right? Plus to know that you can help a lot of people out. That's the kicker for me. I'm going to love traveling the world, helping people out. And I know a lot of you are going to be part of that. And the ones that don't want to be part of it, I still know you're going to do good. That's okay. That's okay, because I love every one of you. All right. I got to go. I got to get ready. I got to go sexy up. You know how that works. Praying for every one of you. Thanks for jumping on my YouTube. Oh, please, if you haven't, ring the bell. And I don't know what you're supposed to say. Share this out. See if you can get some people to join my YouTube. And that's great. If not, that's okay, because I love all you anyway. And I know I've joined a lot of your YouTubes. If I missed it, send me a message and I will join it. I think I got everyone, but you never know. All right, I got a boogie woogie. Thank you all for joining. I'll see y'all later. 2 o'clock. See you later. Bye.